Okay, I spilled coffee on my SSD USB hub. Look here, traces of coffee. And I pulled this thing and it all came down, this drawer. Like this. The whole thing came down and coffee was here. It fell here. I was lucky I had some toilet paper to soak everything, but look, there's still pieces of coffee. I cleaned it as good as I could, but yeah. There's even coffee on top. Here there was coffee. Coffee went inside this. But there is one drop here. Only one drop went to the keyboard. Really thankful for that. So this was soaked. It was here. So tried to remove it, but I took everything out and wiped them with the towel. I wiped them with the towel, everything. And yeah, at least this is okay. The camera is okay. This SSD, I want to open it to check to make sure it's fine. And if there is any water inside, I will use isopropyl alcohol to clean it really well, to make sure I don't ruin it, because it could rust inside. And also this USB hub, I will take it apart. That's the unicorn. Yeah, here there's coffee grounds everywhere now. Before it was dust, now it's coffee grounds. Yeah, so if you buy some drawers for your stuff, pocket knives and everything, oh, even it was full of water also, the bag, it was soaked. And I had to even wipe the Swiss Army knife. This thing was soaked. It looks okay. So I will open this to make videos about it, so you can see it. Also, maybe I will open this, because this was also soaked, but actually inside looks okay. It was only outside, and I don't know about the USB port. I think it's okay. I think it was only on the shell. Yeah. I didn't even realize where the coffee went. The full cup of coffee, I didn't even drink it, was here. It felt here. And then I was trying to find where it went, and it was in the drawer. Really funny thing. You can tell here, because it's this. The wood will start to inflate now. And pieces of coffee, I don't really care so much. It smells nice though. It smells like coffee. It's really funny. I did clean it as good as I could, but the lenses here, they were fine. This area was the camera and the lenses. I was lucky the recorder was plugged into the computer, so nothing there. A bit went on this thing, but it might spill some coffee. Also, the DaVinci Resolve license was soaked. Look, coffee grounds. Coffee grounds everywhere. So, yeah, I keep the things in boxes anyway. It's good to keep them. Whatever was in the boxes, they were fine. It's better to keep inside the drawer, in boxes, containers. So if spillage occurs, you will not have a headache. I had to clean up everything here. And now I'll open these two to make sure there is no liquids. Wish me luck. There's even coffee grounds on the microphone. On the microphone. Wow. There's coffee everywhere. I cleaned it. Okay, I spilled coffee on my stuff. Yeah, this is the Swiss Army knife coffee edition. Let's see if we find some coffee grounds on it. I wiped it pretty well, I think. There will be some inside there. Oh, it's already a bit. It's a bit slow. Oh, look, there's more juices. Yeah, here, everywhere. This thing is so annoying. Always gets in the way. And I think it's okay, this one. I'll open the other ones.